A lot of creative teams juggle multiple tools, multiple AI subscriptions, dozens of tabs, just in the hopes of creating your ad creatives. But this is no longer a problem. Today, we're happy to introduce Flows. Flows is a unified way of having a visual nodes, meaning that you can connect stuff and make cool stuff happen. And this way you can create, and if you find something a workflow that makes you happy, you can repeat it multiple times with different assets, and you're gonna have the same quality of results. Let me show you a full breakdown of how it works. Let's get into it. When you come here to avocadoai.co, you can navigate to this part called Flows. So Flows is pretty much your workspace where you have all of your flows. All of your work is going to live under here. It is shared with you, like someone invited you to collaborate. It's going to be under here. And community, everything template related where the community can share, or us from Avocado can be able to share for the community overall. So let's tackle e-commerce fashion brand. So if you wanted to create a flow for e-commerce fashion brand, actually this is going to be available on the templates section. So you can go and check it out after. But the main point is that this is something that you can create once. And whenever you have, like, let's say, for example, you have a new product shot, you want to launch a new product, but you want to maintain the product consistency. Only thing that you will need to change from this entire thing here is the outfits. You can add more, or you can just replace these existing ones. So the first thing what I started with was with adding an image. So image upload. You can come here and just search for uploads, and you can add this little node here. So what this does, it allows you to upload your own product image. So you select it, and then you add your product image here, and a few seconds after it's going to be here. So in the meantime that's uploading, what you can come here and do is generate another image based on this reference image. So what I'm going to do here is do this. I'm going to drag this right here, and you see it has three options. You can upscale the image, create a video, or edit image. So you want to edit image editor here. So what you want here is you just want to move this around a little bit, organize it here, and then you can just pull out here a prompt node. So text prompt, that's it. And you can say close up shot of the jacket, and then you can run this. And in the meantime, what you can do as well is upload the photo reference of a model, for example. You can create that right here on the flows or in workspace, whatever. But the main thing is, what are you doing here now is you're uploading your reference image of your product. It can be taken on a phone, or if you already have something from the inventory that you have, like kind of a professional photo, but it's not that great, then you can upload it here. And what you're gonna do is just create the professional photo shoots first. So these are gonna go like as the ecom shots for your Shopify. And what you're gonna do is just like expand this a little bit more, and you can literally come here, be able to choose a model and have a final shot of the model wearing. So this one here is a combination of three elements. So it combines this pants here with this jacket. That's it, with a model. And yeah, so you can see here we have like a close-up of the image. This seems pretty good. You can already use that for like details of the product and whatever, and like you can have more of an overview of this. And let's say, for example, you want to create like a photo shoot. Then okay, I'm happy with this. I can create other variations. You can just pull this here, edit image, and repeat the process. So you're creating your own workflow that you can come back and repeat it after. So you can, let's say, for example, create another node here, prompt, and just say back of the jacket. So back of the jacket, simple as that. And remember, you can choose different AI models. You have Nano Banana, you have GPT Image 2, which is generally the latest and the greatest model. For speed's sake, Nano Banana 2 tends to be faster. So you can here you can set up all of the settings, like the aspect ratios and stuff like that. So you can use square, or you can use portrait or landscape. You can generate different amount of images and the quality as well. Same for Nano Banana, each one, or for GPT Image, you can have each one of those variations for. So here you have the back of the image. So it seems pretty good for me. And what you're gonna do now is you can create like a photo shoot based on a model. So first you're gonna drag this. You're gonna come here, image editor. So you have image of a product, and let's say, for example, you want to have a combination of this jacket with the pants as well. So you're just gonna come down here. You're gonna pull this little node here on all the way over here. So what you did there now is combining the jacket and the pants, and all you need now is a model. You can create a new model and add the upload image node here, but for time's sake, we can just copy this prompt here and also duplicate. Let's say, for example, this model. You can duplicate him, just Command D on the keyboard, and then you have it here. So this is one of the last pieces, and then you connect it here. So now you have three image reference here for the photo shoot. And then all you need to do, create a prompt node, paste that prompt that you copy from below here if you want to have the photo shoot look like this. And that's pretty much it. Let's try one with the GPT image. Change the aspect ratio to, let's say, 4. Actually, let's use 3 by 4. And we're going to keep the quality. Let's change the settings here from high to low just to make it faster. And you can want to play around with this and generate this. So you see what you're doing? Like, you're literally combining different, it's like a Lego. You're combining Lego blocks, you're putting things together, and whenever you need to generate this entire workflow again, you won't have to do this again. You can literally just reuse the same preset of the workflow you created. So this is going to help you to create like very consistent, large scale photo shoots for your ecom brand. And this does not apply only for photo shoots of fashion. You can check whatever industry you're in. So look how this looks stunning. You come here, you can just view the full preview. So you see it combined all 3 of the elements that we have here. So it's really good if you keep things organized, because it's gonna make your life a bit easier. And you can even tidy things up here if you want to have it like this, or Command Z, like it like that, like it like this. So that's pretty much it. If you wanted to repeat this entire process, all you would need to do is just maybe change the image of the product here and this here, and then you can have more photo shoots. You can alter the prompt a little. You also have like an assistant here that can actually help you, the LLM, just describe how you want the model posing, and it's going to come up with a proper prompt here for you. So then you won't have to necessarily prompt everything. And you can also take full advantage of Claude, because Claude is really great with this, and it's going to help you to come up with this full production of photo shoots. So this is going to help you to save a lot of money with photographer, location, models. All of that is really expensive, and if you are ecom brand and you want to move fast, this is the way to do it. We have other templates available, like product placement for ads and stuff like that. You have that template available now, and this also, you can make this your own template available. If you want to include people to join this collaboration, here's the spot that you can come and do it. You can also publish this to the community. If you want to share with the community, you want to give back somehow, this is the way you can share it. But I'm going to keep this closed for now. Let me just generate this last one. So this one is a combination of the pants, a model, and the jacket, this green jacket here. So all you need to do is just like create this. So it's taking all of the references and putting things together. It's simple as that. Image of a model, pants, a shirt, a prompt. That's it. And you click and run, and you have the entire workflow running for you. If for whatever reason you don't want to do this manually, obviously you can ask AI to do it for you. So let's say, for example, you can say turn a pipeline for, let's say you want to create UGC videos, or you want to create image video or something like that. You can ask it here. You can see already it have some presets, something ready for you, and voila. But we're gonna do a full version so that you can have like the full understanding how to create AI UGC videos at scale. So that's it for now. I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Oh, actually, wait 1 second. So you see here, this is our like the last shot for the photo shoot of the product. So only with 5 reference images, you managed to create this entire catalog of product shots for each one of your products. This is literally mind-blowing, honestly. So that's it for now. I don't want to make this video too long, but I wanted to show like how the full flows works and how you can get the most out of it.